Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying core prerequisites. You need admin access, a created restore point, and the correct Windows build because driver compatibility depends on it. Once done, open Device Manager and locate Intel Wireless Bluetooth. Make sure the adapter shows and is enabled. If the device is missing, scan for hardware changes and try toggling airplane mode. This forces Windows to redetect hardware. Make sure power settings aren't blocking discovery, and keep a USB installer ready for driver rollback or fresh install. You now handle the driver lifecycle. Uninstall the Intel Wireless Bluetooth driver from Device Manager and check. Delete the driver software to force a clean state, then reboot. Once Windows restarts, install the latest Intel package or the OEM driver as administrator. This ensures correct INF and firmware components. After installation, run Windows Update and check optional updates to capture firmware patches. If prompted, update the Bluetooth firmware via the vendor tool. This resolves many stability and pairing problems by aligning firmware with the driver. You finish by resetting services, open services. MSC, restart Bluetooth support service and related services, then run the Windows Bluetooth troubleshooter to apply registry fixes automatically. Next, pair a device and test audio and file transfers to confirm functionality. Check antenna position and range because poor reception mimics driver failure. If problems persist, roll back the driver or use your restore point. Failing that, inspect the M.2/WLAN card connection or replace the module. Hardware faults require physical steps beyond software fixes.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.